What's up, guys? Dustin and Jackson Warncke out here on the Broad Ranch in Long, Texas. And I just shot a doe this morning with my Mosin Nagant from Finland. And I didn't get that on video because it was kind of one of those things. I was in the middle of lunch, there was a deer, and I needed to go shoot it. So anyway, it was one of those things. But we've got Jackson out for his time to hunt on a different ranch down the road, and this is a very nice place, very beautiful, brush and just brush country, just beautiful out here. And Jackson, are you excited?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, dude. I'm trying to learn the lingo that these kids speak these days. But anyway, excited that you're part of this hunt with us. Check out my shirt that I got from Classic Firearms here. 7.62 by 54 rimmed. That's the cartridge that I used this morning. The gun that I used, or not this morning, early afternoon, the gun that I used was this Mosin Nagant from Finland. And then Jackson's got his AR-15 that he's used to shooting with the American Flag magazine. You gotta love that. So left-handed shooter. That's the nice thing about an AR is it's ambidextrous. Anyway, so he's ready to rock there with his gun. He's got a nice little office chair that he's sitting on. So anyway, we're having a good time here in the blind. It's late December, post rut. We really don't know what we're going to see tonight, but I'm excited to have the chance to be with my son. And
we can shoot anything that we want.
Yeah, that's the other thing, is it doesn't really matter what comes out. Besides a doe with a doe with a baby, doe with a fawn, we're trying to just kind of help manage this place, but also just kind of have fun and enjoy shooting. So anyway, I'm excited about this, and Jackson's excited about this, so we'll see what comes out. We just poured out a lot of corn. It is legal in Texas to bait.
I got a perfect angle right here.
Jackson's got a perfect angle. It's going to be a good hunt.
Perfect
and
angle on the feeder.
Stand hunting is very productive here in Texas. I know it's not Western hunting where you're walking around all over the place. Recorded earlier a spot and stalk hunt that we did back in September this year, where he got a black buck and I got a axis, and that was a good hunt. But anyway, all that being said, excited about hunting tonight. Let's see what comes out.
Yeah.
Rock on. See Jackson and his blue hair? He totally looks like a rock star now. So thanks so much, guys, for watching, reading, and listening.
Sunlight's hitting, she's moved right. Just make sure she doesn't get behind the other one. Take your time. No rush. Take your time. Clear shot. Yeah. Be patient. You got a clear shot from my angle.
What's up, guys? Last night Jackson shot over the deer, we think, so that didn't go as planned, but that's okay. We're in a new blind. It's the next morning, and Jackson and I are hunting the 80 acres, as they call it out here. I've got my vapor trail scents
our Vapor Trail Outdoors 4-point light that we're using here. This is a great flashlight as far as a headlamp goes. It is very, very, very bright for a headlamp. And anyway, that's how we got to the blind this morning. 80 acres. We shot a lot of nice deer out here. We'll see what comes out this morning. Could be some hogs, could be some deer. It's hard to tell what's going to come out for the corn. But anyway, exciting times. And Jackson, you excited about this morning?
Yes.
All right, good deal. So excited to have the opportunity to share this with you as always. And thank you guys so much for checking out our stuff. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think it's a good shot.
Yeah.
We looked at the footage and it looked like it was a good shot, so I think we're gonna go track it here in a few.
Yeah.
You had to turn the viewfinder around. You have anything to say?
I don't know.
You don't know? I want you to be photogenic, Mr. Cameraman. You love doing this camera thing. Alright. So we recovered the deer. Yay! You have anything to say, Jackson?
It's really bloody.
Yes, that happens. Enjoy your hunt. Smile.